Indian tandoori chickens cook in Australian beer can way. What? I bought beer can chicken roaster online. But instead of using beer can, I'm using soda can, strawberry and melon flavor. But first, I have to take care of frozen whole chicken. I put the whole frozen chicken in a bucket. And I pour sparkling mineral water on it. Then flavor mineral water also. Just make sure the whole chicken is immersed, soaked under the water. Then I got a melon and cut it up some of it. Then pour them into the bucket. Then I got some strawberry, cut it up, and pour them into the bucket also. Because the flavor of the soda is strawberry and melon. Then soak it overnight. The next day the chicken is thawed and take out the strawberry and melon, put them into a bowl. Then pour them into a sifter so all the water is out. Then put it back into the bowl. Let's get 2 pounds of yogurt. Pour all the yogurt into the bowl with the strawberry and melon. Mix all of them nicely. Then put all of the spices in it, about a teaspoon each. I gave you the list of the spices. Then mix all of them together until they all mixed nicely. Don't forget that really has to be red color. If it's not, then put some more red coloring until this kind of red is okay too, but you can do it more if you like to. Make sure there's no more excess water in the chicken. And put the whole chicken into the bowl, then cover it with the flavor yogurt all over it. Then turn the chicken around and make sure all the flavor, the spice, yogurt all over. It has to be soaked, and then leave it about 4 hours there. Soak it in 4 hours in the flavored yogurt. Put in the fridge for 4 hours. Then put the can into the beer can holder. Then put it into a large deep pan. Don't forget to open the can. Then position the chicken into the can there. I know it's not easy, but you got to do it. Make sure they're secure there. Nope, I don't need the rack. Heat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the chicken in it for about 2 hours. Check it often so it won't burn. Now we're going to make the sauce using the flavor yogurt. Thicken the sauce with 1 tablespoon of flour. Now the sauce is cooked. Now we're preparing the zucchini. And the potato, and the yam, then soak them into the water because we don't want the color turning black. Mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour with water. Season it with salt and pepper and soak the cut up potato and yam or sweet potato in it. Now we're frying the sweet potato or yam and potato. Then we're preparing the mango, the green pepper, the kiwi, and also strawberry again, and some watermelon for the side dish. Put the fruits in the skewer. Now it's time for the plating and garnishing. This is the fun part, guys. We're using the bell pepper for bowls. We're gonna have Buffalo Wild Wings sauce, and the yogurt sauce. There you go, it's finished. India's chicken tandoori cooked in Australia's beer can. Yay!